Sounds. Sounds paint a picture. Sounds can make you laugh. Sounds can make you scared. Sounds create a mood and affect the emotions. The CD Sound Library from Century 21 Programming is a tool that helps you create images in sound. Listen to this sample production, first with announcer only, then with a carefully orchestrated background of sounds from Century 21's library.
It's fun for the whole family. The State Fair is bigger and better than ever, with more than 100 brand new rides and exhibits. From the farm animals to the fireworks, everyone will have a... It's fun for the whole family. The State Fair is bigger and better than ever, with more than 100 brand new rides and exhibits. From the farm animals to the fireworks, everyone will have...
Your productions will come alive with Century 21 CD Sound Library. We're going to paint a sound picture for you right now. It's a not-so-typical day in the life, created only with sounds from Century 21 CD Sound Library. No announcer, just sounds. With Century 21 CD Sound Library, your productions will take on a new dimension of creativity. And using your library couldn't be easier.
Happy New Year!
All cuts are instantly accessible on compact digital disc. You get more than 360 sounds, each arranged according to categories which include household, transportation, people and backgrounds, footsteps and doors, fun and games, holiday, office, clocks, bells and whistles, animals, military, sports, mechanical and tools, weather, miscellaneous. Call Century 21 toll-free, 1-800-582-2100. In Texas or outside the continental U.S., call Collect, 214-934-2121. Put the CD Sound Library to work for you today.